Hello, my name is Darren Chang, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm a science teacher here at Choate Rosemary Hall. And I expect that all of you saw in faculty notes this week from Joel Backon that we are restarting the iPad U workshops. And I'm creating this screencast as a teaser of sorts to get you to think about attending my workshop on creating screencasts, the how and why. So there are two ways in which I use screencasts. The first way is when I use it in conjunction with a flipped classroom. I'm sure that most of you know what a flipped classroom is, but for those who don't, what you do with a flipped classroom is that you give the kids screencasts in the evening that they view as homework, and then they come into class the next day using the information that they glean from the screencast to attack a problem set or solve some sort of project, do some sort of project that I'll have for them the next day. The other thing I use screencasts for is for student-centered assessments. And in this way, instead of me doing the screencasts, the students create the screencasts, and they do that to reinforce a concept that they've learned. So what I have to show next are 3 short video clips of students explaining why screencasts are useful to them.
Well, in a regular classroom where you just have the lecture in class, the teacher can't go at a special pace just for you individually as a student. So having the screencasts and watching them at night allows me to, pause or go back or just take my time to go through it so I can learn at my natural pace, which may be a little bit slower than what a lot of students.
So when I'm looking at the videos actually, and I'm going over the concept, it's kind of more condensed. It's not like in class where it takes 45 minutes, where it just takes like 10 or 15 minutes, but I can pause every time I don't get something, go back, and then I can, if I'm not sure on a homework I'm doing, 3 days later I can still go back and look at that.
Okay, so to do this I had to switch to my desktop. So what you're seeing right now is me using Screencast-O-Matic to create this screencast. And I'm going to do exactly what I told you I was going to do, which is to show you how to register. So you're going to go and find your Kathy White email message showing the faculty notes, and you're going to double click on faculty notes to be able to see them as a PDF. You're going to scroll 75% of the way down till we get to Joel's little message here. Clicking on here will bring you to a website, and all you need to do is select which one of these dates you're going to want to do one of these workshops, put in your email, hit submit, and you're all done. Don't forget that if you're going to join me for my screencasting workshop, please bring your iPad as well as your laptop so I can show you how to use both Viddle and Screencast-O-Matic. Hope to see many of you there.